Welcome everyone to Lab Edition. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset Huawei P40 Lite and how to delete everything and how to hard reset and reset this device. This is Huawei P40 Lite, so let's do it. So in order to do that, you have to put the phone off. So now the phone is off, so I'm just gonna hold the volume up and the power button together. Volume up and the power button together. And as soon as you see the Huawei logo, you can release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button at least for a few seconds until you see the recovery mode. There we go. So here we can have an option clear data update mode. You can update also via USB and OTG cables if you have, and if you know what to do, you can just connect a OTG cable and you can just download an update file. And so from here you can choose option update mode. You can go to the update mode if you have a USB flash drive using the OTG cable or using the OTG connector. You can update your phone firmware via OTG cable with this option, or you can clear your data. So if you go into the clear data, you can see factory reset. So I'm just gonna see factory reset. Here you just have to write yes, factory reset. Now it is deleting everything, so you just have to wait until it's done. Now this is done, so I'm just gonna wipe the cache partition also, and then we are done. We just have to go back, restart, now from here you can choose language English. It's already been selected. UK, next, just gonna skip this. Gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Can we skip? No, we cannot, so we have to connect to the Wi-Fi. Say next. We are almost done. Maybe later. Say leave later. Skip everything. Enable all the services. Enable, accept, set up as new device. Gonna try some gestures here. Now we are done. The phone has been reset and everything has been deleted. Please keep in mind that it will delete everything from your phone, your phone numbers, your messages, your WhatsApp, and your pictures, your videos. Everything will be deleted from the phone. Thanks for watching.